All right, welcome back to another home-based how-to. And now I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a beautiful CMA within Homebase. So to get started, we are going to click the Intel Center button on the left-hand side there and into the CMA builder. This was one that I had been working on previously. So I'm going to go all the way back to the start and I'm going to find an address. So let's say I want 657 Byron Center. This looks great for example's sake. And there's the home. And we can see that it pulls in the number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, square footage, the year built, and more information. In the process now, we also have the ability to select comps that have matching features. For instance, waterfront, if that's something that's very important to the client, we can select that. Same thing with pool and any other information you see down here. Everything looks okay to me right now. So I'm going to click continue. And now it's going to give me a list of comps in the area. So let's just say, for example's sake, I want to select this home, perhaps this home, and maybe this one as well. We can now continue on. And there it is. This is great. So this is our CMA for the house that we selected, just a random address for example's sake. You can scroll down. You can see that it explains what a CMA is. It gives us a market snapshot, so it shows even more homes in the area and what they have sold for, or perhaps they're pending or active. And then we see here the three comparables that we selected. So we get a detailed view of all the information for those three homes as they relate to our initial home. And now we have a valuation summary for the home as well. Now, if we scroll back on up and over to the left-hand side, what we can see is we've got this yellow sticker here prepared for valued client. Let's say my client's name is John and Jane Smith. I can enter it there, and we will notice that it will update on the CMA on the right with our client's name. There it is, John and Jane Smith. That looks great. We can fine-tune some of the values in the comp here, but then we also have the ability to remove any pages that don't suit the CMA. For instance, maybe this is not the first CMA that we've sent to a client and they don't need the explainer. So I can turn that off. And so that way, this page here will be removed from the CMA. And it might take a second to update there, but ultimately when we export, this page will not be included. Now, if I want to attach any additional documents or information to the CMA, I can click here and upload a PDF of more information. I can also adjust the branding and the cover of the CMA. For instance, right now it's yellow, but if I wanted to change the color, I could come down here and select a new one. And then also I can adjust the information showed for myself. So I can type in my name there. There we are. That all looks good. Now I don't have a headshot on file, or else I could select to have my headshot here. But right now I think this looks great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back up to the top on the left side and I'll click Export PDF. Now this will take just a moment. It will generate the entire CMA as we have prepared, and it will begin downloading to my computer.